Good morning, everybody. So, today I've already filmed a little thing for a CTFXC video thing, but the only thing that stinks is the footage or the file or whatever is too big that I can't email it to this person. So I don't know how I'm gonna get it to him. I don't know. I've asked, he hasn't responded, so I'm just waiting on that. And while I'm waiting on that, the vlog is uploading, and I'm gonna get changed so I can clean this house. Like I said, I think whatever, yesterday or the day before, it is crunch time, close to Christmas, so that means we need to keep the house clean as possible. So I'm gonna start cleaning the house. I need to clean the living room, my bathroom, and my parents' bathroom. So today should be a cleaning day. And for you, it's gonna go like that. For me, it's gonna take a little bit of time. So I'm gonna get changed so I can go clean. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye! Okay, so I got this package in the mail, and I think it may be my new flip-flops. So let's see. Probably should have grabbed a pair of scissors, so maybe I'm gonna go grab those and then I'll be back. Okay, so we have the box open, and yes, it's exactly what it is. I had to order them online because online they were only like $19, and in stores and on other websites, I got them off of Famous Footwear. On other websites, they were like 30 bucks. So I got 2 pair to replace the ones that I have now. How do you open? Yeah. Doing all of this one-handed is definitely different. Ooh, that's a nice color. Too bad it's white. That's gonna get so dirty quick. There's the one. Give me the other. There we go. Yay. And then let's see the other one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, hand. Cooperate. pair. Yay, I'm excited. So now I'm going to throw away one of the bad pairs and keep one just for like a junk pair of flip-flops for around the house if I have to like go out in the grass when it's wet or something, so I don't get these all dirty so soon. Okay, so I'm in my parents' bedroom wrapping gifts. I'm working on the cat's gifts right now. Yes, we wrap our cat's gifts, and Zoe wants to come in, and I'm listening to the Kings getting ready for the concert in like a week. So, wrapping mostly all the gifts today. Alright everybody, it is that time of the night where it is time to end the vlog and go to bed. Today was a very, very productive day. We cleaned the whole entire house and we got some of the gifts wrapped, but I ran out of tape. So wrapping presents will probably finish on Wednesday because I don't think we have any more tape. So it is what it is, and I listened to some more of the We the Kings stuff, getting ready for the concert, their album, getting ready for the concert on Monday. So that's exciting and should be some fun vlog material. It's always fun when Sam and I go on little road trips, so. But yeah, it is time for bed. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you had a great morning, evening, noon, night, whenever you're watching this. Hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. I want to thank you all so much for watching. It truly means the world to me. I will see you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. Bye.